To my sister May, happy birthday from your Ate Fe. This song is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear sister. Happy birthday to you. Bye. Hi, sister. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. All, sa man, kantahan natin ka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday, mommy bear. Happy birthday, mommy bear. Happy birthday, mommy bear. Happy birthday, mommy bear.
Happy birthday, Ate May. May life lead you to great happiness and success. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Amping.
Hi May, happy birthday, and I pray that you have still more blessings to come, and I pray that God will guide you sa trabaho mo, and I pray that God will also bless you, and lalo na sa situation mo ngayon na malayo ka sa family mo. I pray that you'll get even more stronger, and basta don't forget pa rin na lagi pa rin tumawag kay Lord, lalo na ngayon na malayo ka sa family mo, tapos bago ang environment mo, and I pray na bigyan ka na ni Lord na love of your life, okay? So, more blessings, good health, and all the best for you. Love you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Kapoy ka?
Oh.